Hey guys, welcome back to your boy Sir Drinks a Lot, and I bring you the drinks of the hour, the liquids that pass these lips into this gut and out this wee-wee. Funny jokes. Ah! Oh, the puns. The tons. I'm sorry. I am sorry if that upset anybody or hurt anybody's funny bone in like a bad way. But I do have a drink for you. I wasn't kidding. Snapple has an Elements series, all natural. I have an agave cactus drink. Oh, goodness my face. It is Snapple's Rain. Rain down on me. Light and fresh. It has 45% less sugars, no artificial sweeteners or colorings or whatever. It is another drink, simple flavor by Snapple. And here we go. Let's give it a go, shall we? Not bad. A little tart, still sweet. That's a yum to it. It's nice. I like the flavor. Definitely sweet. Hello, puppy. There's the puppers right there. All right, I'm gonna go park back here. Try to get away out of the driveway here, and yeah, it's nice. It's got a nice little flavor to it. I like the bottle. I think the bottle's kind of cool. Reminds me of, there was another Elements, some kind of orbs. Was it orbs? Had the little orbs in them. It was an Elements thing, like fire, water, ice, something like that. Yeah. And this is very nice. This is a very chill. I kind of like the peach tea one we did recently. You got 110 calories, 10 milligrams sodium, 25 grams of carbs. Yeah. It's nice. It's a good drink. I like this. I think I'd do this one at a 4.5. Maybe. I guess we could go 5. Yeah, a 5 and 8. 5 and 8. It's not bad. Go 4.8. 4.8. Or a 4.5, really. We'll do a 4 and 8. Good stuff. Simple, smooth, non-aggressive. I wish more people were like this drink. I would have thought weird when I thought it said agave cactus, and I'm just like, what? It doesn't say refrigerate after. I love it. It says refrigerate after opening, and I'm like, there's no way that my stomach's going to get below cooling. I'm in the 98% range, so after opening this, the bottle's going to go in the trash. And I love when it said there's more than one. It says 10% juice, gluten free, one bottle per serving. So that's good. Hate that funky several bottles per serving business. Not bad for 16 ounces. 15.9. And can't see because of the light. But it says sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air. Real facts. Really? Interesting. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. As always, I'm sure drinks a lot, and I'm wishing you health, wealth, and love with enough time and gusto to enjoy it all down to the last drop. You guys are amazing. You guys are fun. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful and fun mission. This thing that I'm doing. Yeah. So, y'all take care, and I will find more things to drink in front of your face so that you can see my reaction and my pitiful amount of description when it comes to the words. And yeah. Oh, by the way, not carbonated. It's Snapple, so you got it. It's juice drink, but yeah, not carbonated. But man, they're both really refreshing. They are. They're the way I want flavored waters to be. Does that make any sense to anybody? Snapples, I know they're juice drinks. It says 10% juice. But it's the way I want flavored waters to be. A good enough flavor, but not overpowering. Mwah. That's what we need. Anyway, that's just my take on it. I hope you guys are doing well. Y'all take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.